another morning. Let's find out what I'm gonna wear today. Let's see. Man, it's okay. I don't know. You're gonna have to go into full action. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Nice stuff, I may say. Oh, I forgot. Today I'm gonna go see Melissa today. I'm so excited. Okay, I have to get ready really fast. I don't want to push myself so hard. Man, am I bad at choosing outfits. Okay, this will actually. This. I'll wear this today. Perfect. Oh, it's raining today. I'm gonna have to take it. Okay, well first let's do my makeup. Good, look good. Okay, just put it on. Light my candle. It smells like roses. Brush my hair. Make sure I'm all nice. Put on my white perfume. That smells really good. Okay, let's head downstairs. I think I just heard someone at my door. No, it's probably just me. Let's see what I want to have for breakfast. Bacon and eggs sounds fine. With a nice side of toast would be perfect. Ooh, it looks so good. Luckily I have this one thing to absorb the heat. Just got highlights and everything. I just love watching it. Okay. These look so good. I can't wait to eat them. Okay. Let's go turn around this. There's a car. There we go. Close the blinds. Close the blinds. He's probably being the one that's trying to knock over there. I just want to have a moment. I really wonder what he's trying to do. Well, 7:28. I think I may be there at the goal of 2 o'clock. So I think I'll have that. This sounds really good. There's 2 people. They're trying to glitch in me. There you go. I'll teach you a lesson. Oh, I don't think I want anything else. I think I should go get dressed and get ready. Well, I already am dressed. Let's take a shower. Very nice shower. Oh yeah. Dry off. Okay, let's start the morning off with a nice brush. Okay. Let's blow dry my hair. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and brush my hair again. And then I think I'll be ready to go to Melissa's house. Just have to straighten my hair. Okay, I think we're ready. I think I'll be just on time. Well, see you guys there. Okay, we're here. Let's just ring the doorbell. Hi, Melissa! Hi! It's so great to see you.
I got us some salad, some drinks.
Ooh, it looks really good. Can you please roomate me?
What?
Can you please roomate me?
Fine.
I couldn't sit down without. I loved your house.
Thank you. I like it too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This looks so delicious. Nice healthy lunch to start my day. This is my second coffee before, but like, who cannot have too much coffee? Hashtag coffee for life. In the comments, put down hashtag coffee for life. Okay. Bye everybody! And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a collab with Forest Kitty. And, like, I really enjoyed it. And then the other thing is that I have made an Instagram. 1 second. Yes, you heard me right. I have made an Instagram. Follow me on @ChocolateLab2 _RB. If you don't know how to spell that, it's... You don't have to add, like, it's just... This is it. And then that's my Instagram. Make sure to go follow me, okay guys? And I definitely will make sure. You will see my dog Sasha on there. And she's so cute. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I want to just give, I just want to give this humongous shout out to Forest Kitty.
Thank you. Even though we're best friends.
Yes, but she really does help a lot with my videos. Guys, I'm not kidding. She's on the phone right now. She had to be quiet when I did that. 5 minutes of that. And it turns out that we're actually neighbors. And you guys know, you saw a spoiler of my house. You did. So you guys are the lucky ones. And I just want to say, all those subscribers that you will give me, they will all be counted. None of you will be neglected. Okay? If you have Roblox accounts, I'll try to subscribe to you. You know? And if you don't add me on Roblox, make sure to follow me on Roblox. I love playing with fans. So yeah. Thank you for playing with us on Welcome to Blacksburg. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe to her.
Yes, please. Bye!